everybody! So we are leaving New York City today and we stayed in the ROW New York City hotel. And before leaving I thought I'd just give you a quick overview of the room just so you can see an example of a room in the hotel. I am standing right in front of the door now and this is a rough overview of the room. So over here we have a king-sized bed. And you can also see we have two bedside tables and they both have these drawers, and this one also has two power outlets. The other one doesn't, but that's totally fine because there are definitely enough power outlets. The bed is super soft, very comfortable. There's also that little bench right in front of it, perfect if you just want to throw your jacket on it or your bag. And then over here we have a big mirror, which I personally definitely appreciate. So it's amazing, it's very, very big. And let me show you the view. This is the amazing view of our room. And we actually have two of these big windows. So there's the TV in the middle. And this is the other window. Of course, both have the exact same view, but I just love it because it's super bright in here and not one of those smaller, like very dark rooms. So here you can see the other nightstand. Every single room in the hotel also comes with a little desk. I really like this area because I did my makeup in front of it every single day. I just bought a little mirror. And it also has a bit more storage. So there's one more drawer which comes with a little bit information of the hotel and New York City. Then of course also a chair, a wine cooler, and there are two more power outlets. And of course the amazing view. And right here in this little area of the room we also have a big closet. It's really big actually for a New York City hotel. We just put our luggage in here and you can see we have loads of hangers. There's also a little safe on top, and also next to the safe there's a blow dryer, which I think is good to have one in the hotel. Has a little curtain, and next to the closet is the bathroom. I like that it's in all white and this cream tone makes it a lot brighter because there's no window, but you have the light around the mirror which makes it a lot brighter. So over here is the shower, then some towels, those are the ones we use during the day, and then also more towels over here. And you can see there's some storage here, so you can definitely put your stuff down there, or of course put it onto the sink or onto that little area on the mirror. Then of course over here you can also put your towel, and there are a lot more. That was it for my ROW New York City hotel room tour. This room is on the 25th floor, and again I really love it. I think it's our 6th or 7th stay in this hotel. So if you come to New York City also for the first time, this is a perfect hotel because it's located right next to the Times Square. There are all of the attractions, and Port Authority bus terminal is also very close. Every single subway is very close, but everything again is in walking distance. The concierge downstairs, all of the service people are very, very nice in here. So yeah, please check it out. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!